Hello friends, so let us start today's shortcut keys on Excel. Let me reduce my size. Okay, so today first shortcut key is about insert timings, how we can insert the time that we have to see. So for to insert the current time in your Excel sheet, we need to press Control plus Shift plus semicolon. So Control, you can see on this keyboard, it's Control, Shift, and you can see this semicolon key. If we press it together, all the three keys we have to press it together. So once we're done, you can see the time has come here. So once again I will show Control, Shift, and this semicolon key. So it will show the what is the current time is going on. Let us go for the next option, that is to insert the current today's date in the Excel sheet. So what we have to press, we have to press Control along with the semicolon key. So I press the Control, you can see here, and this semicolon key. You can see today's date has come. Okay, so now the next key is, suppose you don't want this format, you want in our date has to come in another format. So first we will enter the date. It was Control plus semicolon key. So this is the date, it has come. Now we don't want in this format, so again we have to change it. We have to press Shift, Control, and hash key. So Control, Shift, and hash key. You can see the date format has been changed. Similarly, once again I will show. First we will insert the date by pressing Control key and semicolon key. So this is the date has come. Now we will change the format by pressing Control, Shift, and hash key. So like this we can change the date format. Now next column is enter in cells. Now sometimes when we enter some text, it will not go to the next column. Now if we want the thing has to come to the next column, we need to press and hold the enter key, alt key, along with we need to press the enter key. So in the same cell we will find the next column, next entry. So alt, enter, again we can enter. Now let us see. So in the same cell we can have the enters in the different locations, so we don't have to change it. We don't have to worry about how to enter in the same column so many things. We can use the enter key and separate the letters, words, or separate lines also in the same cell. So once again, type something, press and hold the alt key and press the enter key. Then type some matter, whatever you want to type, again alt and enter. Like this we can enter the data in the same cell after pressing the enter key and entering the line. Now next and last shortcut key for today is hide a row. Hide a row is like, I have typed something, I don't want it has to be displayed, this numbers. So I will come on the just above line and I will press Control and numerical 9. So on which line I have selected, that particular line will be hidden. So I will press Control Z once again. Now I want to hide only these numbers, so Control plus 9. you can see that particular line has been hidden. So these 5 things we have seen: how to insert the time, how to insert the date, how to change the date format, how to enter the cells in the active cell, and how to hide a row. Thank you. All the best.